Hey guys, what's happening? How to reset Instagram Explore page. So first of all, what you need to do, click your profile icon at the bottom right. Click the three bars at the top right, or first of all, click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then the three bars at the top right, obviously. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just try to pin down the content preferences, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the content preferences. First of all, go ahead to the interested, right, and select the content that you're interested in, and as you can see, I don't have one. Right, and then go to the not interested section and make sure to delete any content that, or make sure to add the content that you're not interested in those places, so Instagram can minimize those kind of contents. Right, go to the sensitive content control and make sure to use less or on average sensitive content, right? And go to the political content and make sure to see less, right? So the algorithm understands that you don't want any left-leaning or right-wing politics in your explore page, right? And basically what you gotta do next, okay, you're gonna go back, right? And you're gonna see, obviously, there is an option right here somewhere, the specific words and phrases. Make sure to add words or phrases that you don't want to see more on Instagram, right? So go back, right? And then what you're gonna do, go to your activity and go to the recent searches, right? And make sure to clear all search on Instagram so you won't be able to see these kind of content. Okay, so basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.